Hi, my name is Kaylee Pierce, Marketing Communications Manager at SeQent and the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. Rockwell Automation and SeQent partner together to deliver real-time decision solutions that enable our mutual customers to reduce unplanned downtime and achieve sustainable outcomes through integrated solutions. SeQent is the only solution in the world that natively integrates with fellow technology partner Motorola Solutions and Rockwell Automation. SeQent addresses the critical need to provide alarm notification and end-on visual display management software to manufacturers to ensure the right people get the right message at the right time. SeQent and Rockwell Automation support a variety of industries, including automotive, food and beverage, semiconductor, water and wastewater, and many more. For more information, please visit us on the Partner Locator.